Hello everyone. In this lecture, we'll talk about that. What is the script loading behavior? So whenever we are using script tag into our HTML page, then at what time it get executed. So it totally depends where you are placing your script tag. So first behavior is that when you are using in the head tag without using defer and async. So these are two keywords basically which we use to defer the execution before the document is loaded or to run our JavaScript asynchronously. So now first let us see the behavior when the script tag is into the head. So it will be executed immediately and it happens before the body is loaded. So let us see with the example. So here I'm creating one script loading.html file, and this is my HTML document. I'm writing here that script, um, uh, not this one, script loading behavior. So now under the head tag, I'm just writing a script tag. And here I'll just put one alert and I'll saying that this alert is from head section before body loads. So now let me save this and execute this code. So if you see here, this is executed, right? And this is executed actually before the body is loaded, right? Now, if you want that your element is to be identified, right? And then script tag is to be executed, then you can put it under your body tag. In the body tag, for example, I'm having one paragraph, and this paragraph is having one ID, say P1. So now what I want to do, I want to change its inner HTML. But before that, I need to identify this element by using script tag. So what I'll do, I will write script tag here. And in this script tag, I will say document get element by ID dot inner HTML. And this is a paragraph added by the script section. And this console is optional. Let me remove this. So basically now what it is gonna do, it will first load this P1 tag. And after that, it will search this element, which is this P1, and change its inner HTML by this text. So let me save this and let me go to my browser. And here you can see this paragraph is added by the script in the body section. So this happened the because the paragraph element is loaded first, and after that, this script code got executed. Another behavior is that you can also put the script uh, with some function, like if it is Windows dot onload function, so that also you can add it. So I'll say here uh, the Windows onload function. Okay, there is one extra tag. All right. So now, uh, right. So here, what I'm writing there is a script, and it is to be executed on Windows load function. So when the window is loaded, when everything, all the HTML images, HTML content elements, everything of your page get loaded, after that this will execute it. So this function will called on Windows load. So we can save this, and if I go back here and now we can check in the console. So here this runs after the content including images. So this is the text which I'm basically putting it into my console.log. Same way, You can also uh, add the event listener, which we will discuss later, but that is related to the events. So when the document is loaded, so under Windows, we have documents. So you want to execute a script, which is basically executes when the document is loaded, then what you can do, you can add a document dot add event listener. And here I want to execute a function, which is this one. So this is basically executed when entire DOM is loaded, but before the images or style sheets. So now let me save it and see the execution. So here, okay, so there is some error, which is, okay, so let me just check my script. So some error here. So this is my script tag, which is added. All right, that script tag is not closed. That's why. Okay, so we'll save it and we'll see our output again. Yeah, so here you can see the uh, DOM object is executed first because it is executed before the Windows uh, onload function. There are some other behavior you can see Windows onload and document, which is called the defer and async. So here basically what we are doing, we are adding our JavaScript file here, and under that JavaScript file, uh, we are saying defer. So when you use defer here, it executes after the HTML is parsed, but before the document is loaded, right? So another is async, which is basically execute as soon as this particular script get downloaded, and it may cause the HTML parsing interruption. So this is what I want to discuss in this lecture. And this is a summary which we have discussed. And if you have any question, right, you can ask in the QA section. And we'll meet on the next lecture. Till then, bye-bye.